In 2026, a $15,000 repair bill is the death sentence for most EVs. But what if I told you the problem is usually a $50 part? Manufacturers want you to swap the whole pack. We're going to do something better. We're going to perform surgery. This is the Battery Doctor Blueprint, a deep research into the high-margin world of lithium-ion restoration. With millions of aging EVs on the road, the demand for modular repair is exploding. This is the ultimate physical arbitrage of the decade. Welcome to the research. Let's look at the math of energy. A battery pack is only as strong as its weakest cell. When one cell hits a high internal resistance, the whole BMS shuts down. We use the internal resistance formula to find the culprit. R equals delta VI. A difference of just 5 milliohms is enough. Step 1. Thermal imaging. A bad cell glows like a lighthouse under load. We identify it without even touching the terminals. Step 2. Cell balancing. Sometimes the cells are healthy, just out of sync. We use active balancers to level the field. Step 3. Laser welding. No soldering irons here. Too much heat ruins the chemistry. We use precision spot welders. The secret is in the donors. Buying crashed packs for 10% of their value and harvesting healthy modules. Let's talk ROI. You buy a bricked Tesla Model 3 pack for $800 at an auction. It has 4 modules. Only one is bad. You harvest the 3 good modules. Each sells for $1,200 on the secondary market for home energy storage. Total, $3,600. Or you fix the customer's car. Charge $3,000 for the labor and parts. You save them $12,000, and you walk away with 80% margin. Scalability? In 2026, every city needs a battery doctor. You don't need a factory, you need a clean workbench and a tester. The risk? High voltage isn't a joke. One mistake and it's a thermal runaway. Safety protocols are the foundation of this blueprint. The future is modular. What's our next blueprint? The water alchemist or precision sharpening? Vote below.